Quarterly Peeps. Milos at it again with another cooking video for you. Today we're making the Serbian Ajvar. It's kind of like a pepper salsa of sorts. You mash up the peppers and the eggplant, and bada bing, we got great little sauce for Serbian Christmas. Don't forget it's December 7th, so you don't be late again like last year. Anyway, before we get going, you got to prep it. You got to slice the peppers in half, get some of the white stuff out of it, and the seeds and all that. And also you cut the eggplant in half too. Okay, so next you bake it for at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Not as hot as the gates of hell, but close enough. As you can see by my shaikacha, the emblem is on it, but one might say, Milos, why is the emblem on it? We're not in times before. But you are wrong, because today we're going to war on the sound in our stomachs. Next step is to serenade your peppers and eggplant with a great song on the kazoo. Kevin, I'm done with my Wawa! As you can see here, I put a plastic wrap over the eggplant and the peppers. That is so that the skin can be sweated out and can be peeled off easily, so I can put it in the blender and make the sauce. Kevin, I'm done with my Wawa! Okay, so next we chop up the onions and the eggplant in the blender. First, before we start cooking it, we add a pinch of sugar. Then you add a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and we add garlic powder because we didn't have actual garlic. Usually use a clove. And then if you want to, you use chili powder, but only a pinch. Also, then you drop the chili powder on the floor. That's an essential step. And you also add a little bit of salt. Then you start to cook it.
So what do you use this in?
You could use it on the side with cevapcici, or you could use it as a spread with some bread.
What are you going to use this for?
Yeah, just a little bit to have on the house as a snack. Put some bread on there, put it on a cracker. Pretty good. Except you would not like it because whenever I cook you say, Milos, I don't want Ajvar or cevapcici, I want Burger King. Let's see how it tastes. Pretty good. Okay. So this is pretty good. Because you know why? Because I'm a master chef. Better than Gordon Ramsay, I have the lamb sauce. Or in this case, Ajvar. It's not lamb sauce, it's pepper sauce, don't tell him. But anyway. Then you put it in a jar like this for conserving, so that you can have the Ajvar later. As you could see, you could put a nice label on your Ajvar to keep the kopniks away. This says Ovo je moj Ajvar. That means that is mine, moj Ajvar. My Ajvar. Not yours, mine. Or maybe you could share. I don't care, but it's mine.
Can I have some?
No. Oh yeah, would you like some?
Yeah.
But you just said you don't like Slav cooking. Or my cooking.
You're right, I don't.
So it's mine Ajvar. Well, you tried to sneak me. You tried to trick me. No. It's mine.
You're good. You're good.
Then right, I'm good. Hope you like this another edition of Cooking with Milos today, peeps. This is a very good Ajvar, better than your Ajvar. But maybe if you learn to cook like me, you can have good Ajvar too. So don't forget to be liking, subscribing, and all the ings. Nuke that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Again.